All right, my people. Howdy, howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy, howdy. All right, so you can see this chair pushing out my video. All right, so yes, I just got home from work, guys. I just got in. It's now 5 minutes after 4 p.m. I just got in and I walked to my desk. See, I'm sweating, right? I'm sweating today. It was so hot. It was so hot. It was 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Can't do this too many days. Like, it's too hot. But I'm home and I'm thankful. And I got in. I didn't even shower yet. I have to go wash my hair, wash out the pollen. But if you notice, I'm getting better. As I said, guys, as we get away from the things that triggers my sinuses that just sucks the life out of me, I do get better. So you don't hear the stuffiness as harsh as it was. I am much clearer. I cough less. I am doing okay, guys. Thank you for those of you who have been concerned and giving me all sorts of remedies. But you have to know that Miss Bev doesn't really like a lot of stuff to go inside of me because I cannot see what it's doing inside of me. So it's hard for me to just follow everything that people say and inhale stuff or drink stuff in because if it burns a hole somewhere, I can't see it. If it's burning out a hole somewhere. Yesterday I heard my principal was talking to us and two of us was there. She was talking about the garlic now. You beat the 10 cloves of garlic, put red wine on it, put it outside in the sun or put it in the sun for 10 days and then take 2 tablespoons. And she said, you gotta try it. I did it and you could feel it burning down and going on. I am very skeptical when it comes to some things because there's no, everybody's on YouTube posting things and everything is good for cancer. And we don't know the effects because we don't know how much of these things really should be consumed. So for me, I'm okay. I'll drink a lot of water, flush my system, drink a lot of water, and I'm comfortable with that. So I know, like the doctor had given me Flonase, but when you do Flonase, it burns up there. So if it's something that's burning, no way, no, I don't want it. I was taking Benadryl. Benadryl just really knocks you off just off your center. So guys, listen, I just leave it to time. I know my body. I know that this is something that bothers me every year. But as I said, usually it's gone already. 2 weeks, 3 weeks tops, and it's gone. This is the first year that I have struggled with getting back to a normal place with this pollen for so long. Has been the worst year. So, but I'm thankful, right? I'm still here. I was able to still sing, whatever that's worth. I survived. I'm okay. So I walked to my desk and I got this note, this thing. I've not opened it yet. And this came from the UK, guys. It came all the way from England. And so I'm going to be opening it with you guys. Right? See? Miss Bev is right there. And you see the postage that it's straight out of England. Straight from the UK, guys. Via email. I remember the days when we used to send letters, real letters. Somebody writes nicely. And we used to get, when you get an email letter, boy, you're glad you run. When I used to get an email letter for Granny, man, and the quickest we reach home. Because usually somebody writing her from abroad, she had a brother in England and Uncle William. And whenever he sends a letter to Granny, it would have a few pounds in it. So when you get a letter from England, you are running crazy. So I don't know what's in it. I know that it came from my sister and friend Ernestine. Thank you, Ernestine, for your support on the channel for so long from day one. Thank you so much, Ernestine. And I am now opening up whatever you sent me from the UK across the ocean. Don't know what it is. Don't know what it is, guys. It's in something else. It says, for Miss Bev, from Zoe Sabina Manero. She made this for you ages ago when the soup kitchen started, but we've been waiting for her to bring the ribbon to hang it with. Oh my God. Mwah. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Even the ribbon came with it. So now I have to get this to Jamaica. It says, oh my God. To Sister Beth from Carleen. Oh, these beautiful people. Blessings, my darling Sister Bev. Enclosed is 50 pounds. US dollars equals $50. I think 50 US dollars equals $41 in UK. This is from Carleen to your ministry of help. Oh my God. I don't know if you can read it. There's no address on there. And this is Miss Ruby's, here, Miss Ruby. This is from my sister Ernestine's daughter, Carleen. And she bought the US $50, my people. Oh my God, what a blessing. May God bless them tremendously. Open a door, oh God, oh. And just pour them out blessings. All the way from the UK, guys, and all of these packaged. And another, wait a minute. Another, guys, another Miss Bev. I think this is from Zoe. And this is the granddaughter. Oh my God, this is... Guys, I just received it. Oh my God. May God bless you all. May God bless you all so much. I'm just opening them. And this is Happy Easter. Lots of love. Zoe, Twix, and Missy, my two pet rabbits. Oh my God, this is from Zoe. Oh my golly. Are you kidding? And they wait to put a whole little package together, even the ribbon. So that's cash. And now we also have for Miss Bev made. Blessings, guys, for the Blessed Soup Kitchen. And this made with love from Zoe. Oh my God. Guys, so I have to, oh my God, I have to put the ribbon in so it can be hung. So we know that they are working now. There's so much rain in Jamaica. So much rain. It's raining down there so much. And so I will. Oh my God, I'm so humbled. I'm so humbled, my people. As I say, in life, it counts. I'm coming from school and we were talking about, we're cruising now, we have 2 weeks left for school. And we're talking about, the kids but I keep saying, they hired me to teach my math and I'm not going to let anything distract me. I'm going to. The kids are enough for me to focus on. And we came and I left and we came home here and look what meets me. My God, what a blessing. What a blessing. All the way from the UK. Let me see how much they put on this thing to ship it all the way here. Because I know it costs a lot. Oh, £4. Okay. It's still a lot. I thank you guys so, so much. Thank you. Thank you for being part of the MVP family. Thank you for believing in what I do. Thank you for finding and appreciating my my off-key voice sometimes, my poetry, my cooking, my talking, my everything. Thank you so much. Thank you for being with me and supporting me. Thank you. The Blessing Soup Kitchen will definitely have this hanging in it. It might take a little minute because I'm waiting for them to complete it. Then I'll get to go down there again and see. And I will definitely bring it to Jamaica. My husband is going down in a couple months, and but this will definitely get to Jamaica to go in the Blessed Soup Kitchen. So Bev Brown, here's to you, both of us. Mrs. K. Dawkins, a blessing to all of us. And this came made with love. So this was handmade, hand painted, beautiful, beautiful, guys. And from the depths of my heart, I say thank you for my newfound family over there in the UK. Thank you so much. Thank you, my girls. Thank you, Ernestine. Thank you, guys, for all things. Thank you. And money too for the soup kitchen. $50. You know how many people this can feed? $50. And so we're still here. We're still building. And so this will definitely get down there for, I have somebody down there who I can reach out to, and they will give the equivalent of the $50 to the soup kitchen. So again, guys, I just opened. I'm as surprised as you are because I'd opened it with you, because I totally appreciate all of you for your love and your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you, as you help me to grow, as you just share the work that I put out there. And I will stay humble, because I think in humility, God always lifts us up. And so I want to stay humble because I know that that's what He wants. He doesn't like arrogance. He doesn't like braggadocious things. He likes humility. And so I am humbled in His presence as I walked in today, and I'm giving thanks for the blessing that awaited me as I walked in. So not only that, but my husband made fish and fried dumplings. Don't want to share that, right? But that's what we will fix up and have for dinner. My brother is here. We'll have that for dinner. And I promise you, tomorrow, all being well, I'll be doing a smoothie because the pineapple is peeled, and I will definitely blend up the pineapple with something to make another smoothie. So just listen, guys. It's so nice to love. Love is such a beautiful thing. I mean, love is beautiful. And when we love, you know what it does? It allows us to not only feel good inside, but makes others feel good too. So thanks for sharing. I so totally appreciate it. And all of what you went through to get it. To get it. And it's from Carlene. I so appreciate these girls. They're so awesome. 41 UK dollars. Changing to 50 US dollars. Euro change to Sister Bev from Carlene with love. Awesome. This is what love is. This is what love is, guys. And I hope that one day they'll be right here under this roof, spending a night or two with me. I mean, this is just total awesomeness. Selfless. Caring. Look at the envelopes. But they got it done. All of them. So I thank each and every one of you guys. Sabrina. I never know about Sabrina. I know about Zoe. And this is Carlene, Zoe, and Sabrina Matters. This is Ernestine, grandchildren. And Carlene is her daughter. Oh my God, she said she made it ages ago when the soup kitchen started. Would have been waiting for her to bring the ribbon to hang it with. Oh God, it's just made my day, guys. It just made my day. It just made my day a much more beautiful day. I hope that wherever you are, guys, that something made your day today. Do you want to tell me about it? What made you feel so good today that you want to share it? Please share it with me. I am so ecstatic right now. I feel so good inside. I mean, these feel good moments, it doesn't make you hungry. It fills you up with such good feelings that food is not the priority right now. So you don't want to eat, if you're going through the fasting thing, you don't have to do it every day. Do it every other day if you want to. But just be yourselves and love yourselves. And when these good things happen for you and to you, enjoy them. Enjoy them, because it does make me feel good inside. I am so thankful. I said God is so good to us all the time. And He sends our blessings in different shapes and forms. It doesn't come, a lot of us, if it's not money, we're not feeling blessed. But when people take the time out to do these things for us, these are priceless. There's no price that we can put on these things. They are priceless. They are treasures that will be thrown in the memory bank for years to come. Thank you, my YouTube family. Thanks to all of you, my sisters, my brothers, all my new nieces and nephews. Mojo, Jojo, I long to see you back again, but it's okay. I understand how it works in Jamaica. But I know that you're with us on the show. I know you're okay, so everyone, she's okay. We just have to work out that internet system now there. And then for all of the rest of you, thank you for all things. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your kind words. Thanks to all of you who stays personally in touch with me. Thank you for all of that friendship. And so as we continue, I'll say, continue to support Miss Bev's production. Share the videos, like them, leave me that comment. Tell me how you feel today. What made you feel good today? Jet, I hope that all is well with you. Randolph, I know you're over there in the UK also. A kind soul you are. And so I'm just praying that all is well with you. And even if it's not well, just find something that makes it good for you. Watch my video, feel good. Know that I do care and I wish you well. And let that just take you through your day. And for all the rest of you, AG takes the time out for us to chat. Thank you. Thank you for all of you. All of you. Maurice Kingpin, a word in the morning, thank you. Menalva, thank you. Michelle, so many of you who send me a message in the mornings. Terrian, Bev Brown, all of you. And for my family, my daughters, Jody and Judy, and my son, Chris, and my sister in New York, thank you so, so much. You might not be out there, you're not posting and commenting, but behind the scenes, you're here. My Aunt Sybil, thank you for all things, the support that you have been given. Thank you so much. And my Aunt Winsome, I say thank you likewise for encouraging words. Sometimes we talk and your thought becomes my video's title. So thanks for all things, guys. And just know that you're family to me. You count. You're valued. And so please go your way today. Know that I'm sending you strength of my strength. And I'm sending you love from a heart that is humble and filled with love. Be good to yourselves.